Hello dear students, today we are going to learn about types of research. As we have already discussed about the definitions and the motivation behind research, today in this topic the understanding of types of research will be discussed. So fundamentally and basically we have three types of research. One, quantitative research. Number two, qualitative research. And number three, mixed method, or in other words, we can say the hybrid method. So we are going to discuss these three important research types in detail. So number one, quantitative research. This is the first research type. This type of research basically involves collecting and analysis or analyzing numerical data. And what is the objective? To draw statistical inferences. In other words, the statistical outcomes. We deal with numerical data in quantitative research. It is again used to answer questions that require measurements and qualifications. So in nutshell, the quantitative research is all about to deal with the numerical data, wherein you calculate different types of databases, or you measure different types of databases, or we can say the common practices in quantitative research is surveys, experiments, and statistical analysis. These are the methods which we follow in quantitative research. Number two is qualitative research. In qualitative research, we basically focus on understanding human behavior. B, experiences, and C, opinions. And specifically, it uses non-numerical data. So unlike the quantitative research, qualitative research uses non-numerical data. And what is the non-numerical data? For example, such as interviews, observations, and content analysis. This is non-numerical type of data. It is often used when exploring complex phenomena and generating theories. So by the help of qualitative research, we generally generate theories. Correct? Now, the last type of the fundamental types of research is mixed methods. Obviously, this mixed method is the combination of both the quantitative and qualitative research. It is basically the approach to gain a comprehensive understanding of a research problem. And in today's time or in earlier times, researchers use this kind of approach when they believe that both the types of data are needed to address their research problem or their research question. Hope you understood this topic. We'll see you in the another topic.